Bring your backyard to life with TRAILMARK Naturals 10-pound raw peanuts, perfectly crafted for squirrels and wild birds. These in-shell peanuts offer a natural, protein-packed snack that squirrels love to crack open and enjoy. Feeding your outdoor visitors has never been easier or more rewarding. Not just for squirrels, these raw peanuts are a favorite among blue jays, woodpeckers, and many other wild birds. Whether it's spring, summer, fall, or winter, you'll attract a variety of feathered friends eager to feast on this wholesome, natural food. It's the ideal way to support local wildlife while adding vibrant activity to your yard. Our peanuts come fresh, unroasted, and unsalted, grown right here in the USA to ensure clean, farm-quality nutrition. Free from additives, they provide a pure and healthy option for your wildlife feeding needs. This bulk 10-pound package is designed for regular feeders, farms, and wildlife enthusiasts who value dependable, all-natural feed. Choose TRAILMARK Naturals raw peanuts to create a thriving backyard ecosystem. Easy to store and use, these peanuts make feeding squirrels and birds simple and sustainable. Enhance your outdoor space with a reliable source of wildlife nutrition that's both natural and American-grown. Ready to welcome more wildlife to your yard? Stock up on our 10-pound raw peanuts today and watch your outdoor visitors flourish with a tasty, nutritious treat they'll return to again and again.